I'm back. Adele is back. Hey. Yes. No crying. Mag-vlog ganito. Okay, wala sa mood ang baby na naman. Bakit ganon? Hello. I'm with my bodyguards, guys. There they are. Oh. Adele's bodyguard is here. Oh, look. Oh, who is this? That's Pangit. Oh. The two boys are there. And the girls are here. Ay, andun pala mga girls. I have so many bodyguards, right? Ayan. Ayan ang nangyari sa hair. Magulo ang hair niya. Messy hair ang bebe. Say hi. Sorry guys, I'm not in the mood again. I'm not in the mood again. Say hi, baby. Sweetie pie. Oh, that's Kibi and Coco. Yan, Kibol and Coco. This is Coco. And that's Pangit, the baby bodyguard. She's small, but she's almost 1 year old. Yan, and that's Kibol. Kibol. And this is Adele. Hello. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. This is happy pag peekaboo. 1, 2, 3. Pika. Boo. Oh, that's Kelly, the other bodyguard of Adele. That's Kelly. She's the eldest one. Pika. Boo. Happy magpikaboo. Pika. Ta. That's you. Peekaboo. Just happy mo siya. Ay. Hey. Hey. Hello. Peekaboo. Clap your hands, B. Clap your hands. She's already 9 months. 9 months old morning baby. Up. Mahulog ta. Palangga. Mahulog ta. Oh, this is Kenya. Also the bodyguard. Adele has 6 dogs. Yeah, that's all her bodyguards. Wherever she is, the bodyguards are there. There they are. Kenya. That's Kenya. Oh, that's Kelly. And this is the smallest one, Pangit. This is Pangit. Oh. And this is Adele. Hello. Hi. Pika. Boo. Pika. Boo. Big mouth maning bibihan. Pika. Boo. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Pika. Boo. Bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, guys. Thank you for watching. That's it for today. Babu. Say bye-bye first. Peekaboo.